Imagine waking up in your hotel room into this. A 600-year-old Inca fortress staring right into your bedroom. Most people just take the train through here to Machu Picchu, but they miss the fact that this is the last living Inca town on Earth. In this video, we will explore the town of Ollantaytambo. We will walk the streets with its canals, its ancient walls, and I will point out to you important Inca structures, explain the history, and I will also tell you about places to eat, to stay, and give you other useful travel tips. Stay tuned and let's go together explore this wonderful town. Looking from my other hotel window, we can see the heart of Ollantaytambo. After the Spanish conquest, the population of the town didn't go anywhere. These people that still live here are the descendants of the Incas, the Quechua Indians. They adopted Christianity and they adopted Spanish language. But the city is still the original Ollantaytambo, inhabited by the original population. Obviously, the houses were rebuilt over the centuries, but they keep the city grid, and these modern houses are built on the foundations built by the Incas. And through this video, I will point out the original Inca walls, the original Inca canals, and other notable structures. We are going to explore the town of Ollantaytambo. Here is the canal. And first we're gonna visit the Plaza de Armas, the main square of the town, which is just behind the hotel. This is the hotel we are staying at. Here is the main square, known as the Plaza de Armas. And the structures up top that hill, they were food storages, granaries. The wind kept them cool and dry. Let's look around the main square. There is the center of the square, and here we have of course the ever-present magnificent mountains everywhere. And here we have many restaurants around the perimeter of the square. I must say they have excellent food. I would say many of these restaurants, they are Michelin star quality. Yesterday I ate at this place, Chuncho. Oh my god, it was one of the best meals I probably had in my life, like really Michelin star quality. Absolutely amazing. And when I look on TripAdvisor, many of these restaurants have close to 5-star rating. So they really take pride in the food. Because it's close to Christmas, they have Christmas decorations. And now we are going to explore the streets, the historic streets of the town. Okay. Another shot of the square. And here apparently was one of these canals. And here we have canal that is actually running. See, here is the hotel where I'm staying at, the Source Hotel. And here is one of the streets. But let's see this canal, how it works. So It's original. It's original canal built by the Incas. It's absolutely amazing that it's preserved until this day. Here we have look down towards the ruins, but we want to explore the streets. So let's walk back up. This is where we came from. Where is the square located? And you certainly recognize these. These are the typical Inca stones, fitting perfectly into each other. See, they use no mortar, and the stones fit perfectly. These walls are original walls built by the Incas. See the canal? It is still used after all these centuries. Here we have a great view of the ruins, the famous ruins of Ollantaytambo, which is quite magnificent, and I will also be making videos of the ruins. But now we are focusing on the town. Wow, see that? Unbelievable. Here you can take a glimpse of somebody's house. I just can't get enough of these beautiful openings. I don't want to intrude on anybody. Not the place. Not the place. Along this stretch, I have seen a couple of hostels. So if you are on a budget, you don't want to stay in a hotel, there are definitely hostels around. Here we can see the ruins on the mountain. It's absolutely beautiful. Hi, dog. The Andes are quite magnificent. They have some pretty kitties here. Alright, let's take a look and walk down here. See these walls? Once again, I'm repeating myself, but it was built by the Incas. Somebody's house, somebody's courtyard. And here, buenos dias. Here is another of these canals. Well, let's walk down here and explore some more. This city is so beautiful. Wonderful canals. I guess these are Christmas decorations. It's December 14th today, so we're getting close to Christmas. Uh-oh, the dog is barking at me. These streets are just amazing. This is one of the most beautiful towns, historic towns I have ever seen in my life. That's just unbelievable. Look at that. See the entrance here, the door? That is no doubt the original Inca structure. No doubt about that. Now we are back on the Plaza de Armas, the main square. Now let's walk towards the ruins of Ollantaytambo. On your left and on your right are convenience stores, coffee shops and restaurants. There's absolutely no shortage of places to eat or drink. And down that road to the left, it would bring you to the train station. It is a train station that travelers take to go to Machu Picchu. It's about 1.5 hour train ride to get from Ollantaytambo to Machu Picchu. Now we are walking towards the archaeological site and towards the market. Take a note, there are gift shops, coffee shops and restaurants still. I'm not sure if this is part of the original Inca town, but judging from these walls, and yeah, it has to be because of the pavement and the walls. Yeah, definitely. It was still part of the historic Inca town. Oh yeah, and here we have the canal, so there's no doubt, it is still part of the Inca town. I just didn't know how extensive the town is, because now we are south of the main square, and the historic town still extends here. A little kitty here, pretty. I love these canals, it's just amazing. Okay, we're gonna head back. We're gonna head back towards the ruins. Follow the canal. And as we are approaching the market and the archaeological site, it slowly concludes our video. Leave me a comments if you have any questions concerning Ollantaytambo. Leave the questions below, and I will make sure to answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my other video concerning the archaeological site. I also have a video about Cusco, Pisac, and other places in Peru. Please hit like and subscribe, and I see you in my next video.